Hello and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. All right, so we have a JAMB math question here. It says if 2 base 9 times in parentheses y3 base 9 is equal to 3 base 5 times in parentheses y3 base 5, find the value of y. All right, so all we need to do is just convert every of the bases to base 10. That's what we need to do. Okay, excuse me. So here, this is 2. All right, so that would be 2, that's 0. Just put the powers quickly on top of it. 0, 1. You start from 0. You start from your from the last digit here, from your right going towards, your left, from the lowest, from 0 to 1. Okay, so this is 0. That's for each number. This is 0 to 1. So converting this to base 10, we'll get what? 2 times what? 9 raised to the power 0. Okay, this is times, that will be parenthesis. Okay, this will be y times 9 raised to the power 1 plus 3 times 9 raised to the power 0, okay, equal to, this would be 3 times 5 raised to the power 0 in parentheses, y times 5 raised to the power 1 plus 3 times 5 raised to the power 0. Okay, so from here, this is 9 raised to the power 0 is 0 times, 9 raised to the power 0 is 1. Then times 2, we get 2 in parentheses. 9 raised to the power 1 is 9 times y, we have 9y plus, this is 9 raised to the power 0 is 1 times 3, we have 3. Okay, equal to, this is 5 raised to the power 0, 1, and times this, that will give us 3. All right, 5 raised to the power 1 is 5 times y. That'll give us 5y plus 5 raised to the power 0 is 1 times 3. We get what? 3. All right, so we open parentheses. We have 18y plus 6 equal to, this will give us 15y plus 9. So collect like terms, bring 15 here. We have 18y minus 15y equal to, take 6 here. We have 9 minus 6. From here, we have 3y. We have 3. Then we divide by 3. And what do we have? Y is equal to what? 1. So our answer here is B. Do you see that? Okay. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. And don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT practice app. In your JAMB maths, you need to be fast. All right. And please, I will always remind you, try to practice without your calculator. It's going to help you. All right. So get the DTW JAMB CBT app. Just search for questions. If you're doing maths, whichever topic, go to the question search, type the question, the topic out. All right. You select your subject and it will bring out all questions. It would search on the database from 1994 till date and bring out all questions on that particular topic. And all you need to do is just be solving. When you finish reading a topic, don't just leave that topic. Solve more than 20 questions on that topic. That's the way to deal with JAMB, and that is what everyone I interviewed that scored 300 and above, that is what they did using the DTW JAMB CBT app. Use the app today, please, and share it. Tell your friends about it. It has all subjects for science, art, commercial. Go check it out. Download it freely, all right? And you will see all wonderful resources. You have your career guide where you can check your JAMB subject combination. Every let me not talk too much. Go and search. Then you will know that your investment of 4,000 naira in this is not even enough. It's so cheap. Okay, and it will guarantee you passing your JAMB examination. All right. I've seen people, let me not go to that, let me not go that part. That's a lazy man's way of study. But please start early. I've seen people just use the app 2 months to exam and they got wonderful scores. All right, but they won't definitely get up to 300. So please start early. If you know you are aiming for surgery, aiming for medicine, all those courses, start early now using the app, and you would see the amazing result it has helped other students achieve, and you would also achieve the same. So download it freely. Okay, you can join our WhatsApp online tutorials on Google Meet. WhatsApp me. This is my details here on how to join our online intensive tutorials, finishing the syllabus back to back. That's what we are doing with our qualified teachers. Okay, don't forget to follow us, subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe to our TikTok, follow us, all right, share with your friends, family, loved ones preparing for the forthcoming JAMB 2025 examination. Join our Facebook group. You have any questions? I think that's the major place I will be interacting with everyone. That's if you're not on our online class, if you're an online classes, definitely you have direct communication with me. But if you're not there on the Facebook group, you can interact with me. Okay, when I come online, you can ask your question, post your questions. I would try to answer, and other moderators would answer too. You can also get other free resources. I have definitely free resources for students who can't afford some educational aids to help them with their exams, free downloads, notes to study guides. You can get that on the website. All right. And is there any other thing I'm missing? Yeah. Finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, He's the life. He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you peace right here on earth. Come to Jesus. He will make your life beautiful. He will make you new again. You need it. Come to Him today. Remove. Just leave those things that easily make you fall into sin. Leave Him, leave it, and the Lord will give you power to stand in holiness and righteousness in Jesus' name. And apart from that, He's going to make you destined to win in life, in your forthcoming JAMB 2025 examination, and also in life, your future, your career, your marriage, your family, your finances, everything pertaining to you, the Lord will make it whole. Come to Jesus today. You are destined to win. See you in our next video. Take care.